Hi, Lisa Rowberry here. Welcome back to my channel. Happy Friday. My bin is full, so we are going to go through this and talk about what I have been warming. I also have a counter clean that I went through, and I just figured, you know, I don't talk about the cleaning products enough, so I figured let's go ahead and talk about this. I went through one of my counter cleans in lemon verbena. This is by far my favorite cleaning fragrance. It's so nice. I prefer this in the cleaning fragrance over anything else. And lemon verbena is not a scent that I tend to warm in wax form. I like to keep my scents separate. So like what I like in the laundry products, I don't want to be warming in my warmers. What I like in the cleaning products, I don't want to be warming in my warmers. I just feel like I don't like mixing them. I just don't. That actually, the counter clean actually kind of ruined Amazon Rain for me. I shouldn't say it ruined because I really enjoyed it. But Amazon Rain is a scent that I really, really loved in wax form. It still is. It's still around. Amazon Rain is crazy strong, performs great. It's a very clean fragrance and I like it a lot. I really enjoyed it in wax form, and then I got it in the in the counter clean. And then once I was using it to clean my counters and clean my carpets and clean my appliances, I didn't want to warm it anymore. So that's just me. So anyways, lemon verbena is a scent that I don't tend to love warming because I tend to gravitate towards other fragrances. So it's perfect in the counter clean. Love, love, love this. Counter clean is such an amazing product. If you have stainless steel appliances, if you have indoor pets, this works amazing on spot cleaning your carpet. It works like a charm. Way better than any pet specific spray for your carpet that I've used. In my personal opinion, this works way better. With that being said, I did want to talk about the bathroom cleaner as well. This is a newer product with Scentsy. This is not empty, but man, do I love this. I love it so much. And I thought, well, I've got the counter clean. And before I was using the counter clean everywhere. I was using it in my bathroom, in my kitchen, on my carpets, on shoes, on literally everything. Then comes the bathroom cleaner. And I was like, well, all right, well, I'll see what the big deal is about. So I used it. Love this. This works even better in the bathroom than the counter clean does. I have tiles in my showers, and so it is a pain in the butt to go in and scrub the tiles. This works amazing. When I used this, my husband was like, geez, our shower has never looked cleaner. Like, it is so amazing how well this stuff works, and I will never, ever, ever be without it. So, of course, in the bathroom cleaner, I have it in lemon verbena as well. Okay, enough about the cleaning products. I shouldn't say enough because I don't talk about it enough, but let's get to my clam shells. So, we'll go ahead and get these out of the way because you guys know how much I love this. I should have two. Yes, I do. So I decided I was in the mood for my beloved sweet plum pastry. So I went through 2 whole bars of sweet plum pastry, and I also was mixing it with Happy Birthday. Love these together. They are amazing. Happy Birthday is a fantastic mixer if you're wanting to make something a little extra bakery or gourmand. This is an amazing mixer, but it's amazing by itself as well. Happy Birthday just smells like funfetti birthday cake. It is fantastic. I love it, and I'm so happy I have it in my Scentsy Club subscription because I will never, ever, ever be without this ever again. So, like I said, I was mixing it. So I wasn't actually mixing it in the same warmers. I just had these scents going in different warmers all throughout my downstairs. Sweet plum pastry is always will be my favorite fragrance. This is just a very sweet, it really is a sweet plum pastry kind of a scent. You smell that sweet plum. You smell that almost like buttery crust in this. It's phenomenal. I love this, and it's so strong and it never disappoints. So this, of course, made it in my Scentsy Club. So I'm happy it did because I don't feel guilty about warming them. So it's fantastic. Okay, So what else I broke out? I broke out some things that have retired, which I am pretty proud of myself because usually when a scent retires and I have a bar or two of it, I don't really want to warm through it because I feel like then I'm gonna be without it, you know? So I went through 2 bars of Beech Daisy, and this was a scent that was available last summer, and I think it came back, it wound up in the clearance section or during a flash sale or something, so I wound up picking up a few of these. I love this fragrance. I wish that Scentsy would come back with this. It is so good. And this is a good, clean, strong scent as well. It's a fruity floral. Like there's melons and apples, and then it's also mixed with this really beautiful floral scent as well. So this is done just right. So I love this for spring. I am gonna be sad when I'm completely done with this because I think I have either 1 full bar or like just a partial bar left. So I may be hanging on to that to cherish it. Okay, so let's talk about the scent of the month for April. If you saw, I did my little unboxing with you guys for the scent of the month and the warmer of the month for April. If you didn't see that, I will link it down below, so check that out. With the whiff box for March, we actually got a little sample of the scent of the month for April, which was sugared strawberry. I love this so much. This is checking all of my strawberry boxes. I love this so much. My favorite strawberry scent that Scentsy has ever done is Coastal Strawberry. I still feel like that is still my favorite strawberry scent, but this is a very close second. This is a sweet strawberry scent without being too sweet, without smelling artificial, but then it has this beautiful lemon finish, and I feel like that lemon finish is exactly what this scent needs. So I actually warmed through that. It's actually still going in my warmer, and I love this so much. This is pretty strong. I am very impressed with this. So to test out its performance, to test out how strong it was, I actually popped this into my warmer in here, just the 1 warmer. I ran out and ran some errands, came back, and when I came back into the house downstairs, I got a little hint of strawberry, and I'm like, oh, that's right. I have that scent going upstairs. So I ran upstairs and I was like, oh, I love it. So it filled the upstairs just with 1 warmer. So this is a pretty good performer, but I don't feel like it was too sickeningly sweet because you have that like lemon note to it. So I feel like this is just so perfect. So because I only had a sample of it at the time, I was ready to change out the other warmers and I wanted something that would complement it. So, and what a scent I don't really tend to love is actually the scent of the month for, was this January? This was January. Strawberry Champagne Truffle, which actually you cannot order anymore. This one did wind up selling out. I didn't really care for this. This to me smells like strawberry plastic. and I told you guys this when I warmed it. When I warmed it, it just smelled like plastic, and it didn't last very long. For me personally, it didn't last very long, and it futzed out really super quickly. So I was like, well, let me just go ahead and use up this bar that I have in conjunction with sugared strawberry. Sugared strawberry leaps and bounds, in my opinion, better than strawberry champagne truffle. Just my own personal opinion. So got through that. Next, I got through, oh, this was for the bedroom. I just had a couple of cubes left of Cozy Cardigan. This one was from the fall and winter collection. And this is a really beautiful, almost like cashmere kind of a fragrance. It's very sophisticated, slightly like musky, but not musky in a bad way. Musky like fancy. To me, it reminds me of like a cashmere kind of a smell. And this is, I find it to be perfect for the bedroom. So I used up the last few cubes I had of that. Next, I have just a couple of Clam Shells. I just decided to go super bare bones basic. We had some friends over and I was like, well, you can't go wrong with like vanilla type scents. So I broke out a vanilla bean buttercream as well as a sugar cookie. You can't go wrong with these, right? So I went through 2 bars of that. Now there is a difference between the two. So vanilla bean buttercream is just that. So you're getting this rich bakery vanilla, obviously, buttercream frosting kind of fragrance. I love this. If you love just that sugary vanilla, bakery vanilla kind of fragrance, you're gonna love this. It's a great performer too. So the difference with that and sugar cookie smells more obviously like a sugar cookie. So it is that vanilla base, but it does have that more of a like cookie kind of note. So this is super great too. I really don't think you can go wrong with either one. And both of them are amazing for mixing. So once again, like happy birthday, if you are wanting to kind of give something a little bit more of a bakery note to it, try mixing sugar cookie or vanilla bean buttercream if you don't have access to happy birthday. Okay, another couple here. So let's talk about another one that's retired. I am so sad about this one. Mandarin Grapefruit Amber. I love this fragrance. I'm so sad that it's not around anymore. But this is such a sweet, citrusy, perfumey kind of fragrance. I love this. I find citrus scents to be kind of difficult as well without it smelling too artificial, kind of similar to strawberry, but this is so nice. And it definitely has that more like floral, perfumey kind of note to it. I think it's the amber in this. Oh, but I love it. And it's so beautiful. So I'm kind of cherishing every last little bit I have of this. I think I have one more bar of this, but I'm just kind of milking my way through that because, oh, I love it. So with that being said, I wanted to give one of our new scents a try, which is Tropic Tango. I only used 2 cubes so far, but I really like it. So far, so good. Now, this one, you can't even compare it to Mandarin Grapefruit Amber. It's a completely different scent. But if you like sun-kissed citrus, if you like those citrusy kind of fragrances, I think you'll really like this. It is on the verge of smelling too artificial, but it's done well. This is done really well. I like this a lot. It has more to it than just an orange fragrance. I get citrus, but I get like mango from this as well. It's a fun fruity fragrance. It is citrus heavy, but there are some other like tropical fruity notes to this as well. So that's really good. So liking that. And then the last two, I decided to break out Ocean, which is just a really good, basic, standard, clean fragrance. This is slightly floral and kind of beachy, but it's very clean. If you don't like fruity, if you don't like bakery, you just want something clean, Ocean is a really, really good one to start with. So I got through a whole bar of that. Pretty proud of myself. And then also Bonfire Beach. I love this time of year and into the summertime. I feel like this is fun and beachy. This is actually, it's a dupe, if not super, super close to Bath & Body Works Marshmallow Fireside. So if you like that kind of fragrance, you're gonna love this. This is, you get the sweet, fluffy marshmallow, but you also get that woodsy kind of note. It's so good. I really, really like this, but I would consider this kind of a clean fragrance as well. So I do really like this, but I like the sweetness that you get from like the marshmallow and that like woodsy kind of note. It's really fun and summery, I feel like. So that's Bonfire Beach. I got through quite a few Clam Shells, you guys. I'm pretty proud of myself. So that is it. My bin is empty. Let me know what you have been warming through if you're trying some new mixes. If you're trying out some of the brand new scents from the new catalog, let me know what you are loving. And yeah, I will leave my contact information down below if you have any questions. If you're new, please subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I will check in with you guys a little bit later. Bye, guys.